Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unlocking the surprising versatility of cherries.
When you think of cherries, your mind probably goes straight to pie, right?
Well, you should think again. Their potential goes way beyond the bakery.
It's because their flavor is so bold and flexible. It's perfect for sweet and savory.
First, let's start in the comfort zone, the sweet side. Things like citrus, berries, and peaches, they blend beautifully in jams and compotes.
Almonds add that classic crunch to tarts, and that texture contrast, it's key.
And of course, you can't forget warm spices like cinnamon for that perfect pie.
Okay, so we know the sweet side, but what's the secret to their savory power?
It all comes down to one thing: acidity. It cuts right through richness in savory dishes. And that acidity is exactly what lets them live in two totally different worlds.
All right, so let's master these savory pairings.
That acidity is perfect for cutting through rich proteins like pork, duck, or chicken.
And it's not just meat. Their sweetness is an amazing contrast to peppery arugula or beets.
For incredible aromatic depth, try herbs like thyme, rosemary, or even basil.
And for cheese, try a creamy goat cheese, a rich brie, or a sharp, tangy blue.
Okay, let's put this into action with a super simple recipe.
You can make a gourmet-level dish in just 3 easy steps: sear, reduce, and drizzle.
So why does it work? Well, that acidity perfectly balances the chicken's richness.
So the big takeaway here, cherries are one of the most versatile fruits you've got.
You now have a whole new toolkit. Think vinaigrettes, sauces, glazes, go for it.
So the only question left is, what surprising cherry dish will you create?